Looking for the best sprinkler controller to keep your lawn green without wasting water? In this video, I'll break down the top 5 smart options that save time, money, and make yard care effortless. Stick around to find the best one for your home, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. Rachio Sprinkler Controller. The Rachio Sprinkler Controller is a smart irrigation system designed to make lawn watering easier, more efficient, and completely hands-off. It connects directly to your home Wi-Fi and works with a mobile app, allowing you to control your sprinklers from anywhere. Instead of guessing when to water, Rachio uses local weather data, soil conditions, and seasonal changes to water your lawn only when it actually needs it. What makes Rachio better than many traditional controllers is its smart scheduling. It automatically skips watering when rain is forecast and adjusts based on temperature and humidity. This not only protects your lawn but also helps avoid overwatering, which is a common problem with older systems. Pros include easy installation, a clean and user-friendly app, and strong integration with smart home platforms like Alexa and Google Assistant. Cons are that it relies on Wi-Fi and may feel advanced for users who prefer manual controls. My analysis: Rachio is excellent for homeowners who want a set-it-and-forget-it solution. Setup is straightforward: replace your old controller, connect zones, and let the app guide you through scheduling. Personally, I think it's great for busy homeowners, smart home users, and anyone serious about lawn care. It may not be ideal for people who prefer fully manual systems. See the description for more details. Number 2. Orbit Sprinkler Controller. The Orbit Sprinkler Controller is designed to make lawn and garden watering smarter, easier, and more efficient for everyday homeowners. It allows you to control multiple watering zones with precise scheduling, helping your lawn stay healthy without overwatering. Many models also support smart features like weather-based adjustments and mobile app control, which means your system can automatically adapt to changing conditions. What makes Orbit stand out compared to other sprinkler controllers is its user-friendly design. The setup process is straightforward, and the interface is easy to understand even for beginners. Unlike complicated systems, Orbit focuses on simplicity while still offering smart automation. Pros include reliable performance, flexible scheduling, and strong compatibility with standard irrigation systems. It's great for saving water and maintaining consistent lawn care. On the downside, some advanced features may require a bit of learning, and Wi-Fi models depend on a stable internet connection. Using it is simple: install the controller, connect your zones, set your schedule, and let it run automatically. It's good because it saves time and water, but it may not be ideal for users who want highly advanced commercial-level controls. Personally, I think the Orbit Sprinkler Controller is perfect for homeowners, families, and DIY gardeners who want smart lawn care without complexity. See the description for more details. Number 3. RAINPOINT Sprinkler Controller. The RAINPOINT Sprinkler Controller, a smart solution designed to make lawn watering easier, more efficient, and more precise. At its core, the RAINPOINT controller allows you to automate your irrigation schedule with accuracy. It connects to your sprinkler system and gives you full control over watering times, duration, and frequency. Many models also support app-based control, so you can manage everything right from your phone, whether you're at home or away. What makes RAINPOINT better than many other controllers is its balance between smart features and ease of use. You don't need to be a tech expert to set it up, yet it still offers advanced scheduling options that help reduce water waste and keep your lawn healthy. Pros include simple installation, reliable scheduling, and flexible control options. It's especially useful for maintaining consistent watering routines. On the downside, advanced features may take a little time to learn for first-time users, and it works best with stable connectivity. My analysis: this controller does exactly what most homeowners need: no overwatering, no guessing, just efficient lawn care. It's ideal for homeowners, gardeners, and anyone who wants a greener lawn with less effort. See the description for more details. Number 4. Hunter Industries Sprinkler Controller. The Hunter Industries Sprinkler Controller, a trusted choice for homeowners who want reliable, smart, and efficient lawn irrigation. This controller is designed to give you precise control over your watering schedule. It supports multiple zones, flexible programming, and weather-responsive features that help adjust watering based on real conditions. Whether you're managing a small yard or a larger landscape, it keeps everything organized and running smoothly. So why is it better than many other sprinkler controllers? Hunter Industries is known for durability and accuracy. The system is stable, easy to program, and built to handle long-term outdoor use. Compared to basic controllers, it offers smarter scheduling and better water efficiency. Pros include a user-friendly interface, strong build quality, and consistent performance. It's great for saving water and maintaining healthy grass. Cons? The setup may take a little time for first-time users, and some advanced features may feel unnecessary for very small lawns. Using it is simple. Set your zones, choose watering days and times, and let the controller do the work automatically. Overall, it's a solid, dependable option for homeowners who care about lawn health and convenience. It's ideal for families, DIY landscapers, and anyone upgrading from a basic timer. See the description for more details. Number 5. Imolaza Sprinkler Controller. The Imolaza Sprinkler Controller, a smart solution designed to make lawn watering easier, more efficient, and more reliable. This controller connects directly to your home Wi-Fi and lets you manage your entire sprinkler system from your smartphone. You can set watering schedules, control multiple zones, and adjust everything in real time, whether you're at home or away. It's built to support automatic scheduling, which helps maintain healthy grass without overwatering. What makes the Imolaza controller stand out compared to traditional timers is its smart control and flexibility. Instead of fixed schedules, you can fine-tune watering based on your lawn's actual needs. This means better water efficiency and less guesswork. Pros include easy setup, a clean mobile app, remote access, and reliable performance for everyday lawn care. Cons are that it does require stable Wi-Fi, and first-time smart irrigation users may need a few minutes to learn the app features. For my analysis, this controller strikes a solid balance between simplicity and smart features. Setup is straightforward. Connect the wires, pair it with the app, set zones, and you're ready to go. Overall, it's good for homeowners who want smarter lawn care without complexity. It may not be ideal for users who prefer manual-only controls. If you're looking for a convenient, modern way to manage your sprinklers, the Imolaza Sprinkler Controller is worth considering. See the description for more details. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.